Hi guys, this is the live trade of long Strangle, and as you can see the price is outside the Bollinger Band, so we will be trading it. Now it's the last trade is 53.36 and the middle Bollinger Band is 52.05 and the lower is 50.67. So we will be trading 53 as or like the upper band, upper strike price, and around 51 as the lower strike price, as it is near the lower Bollinger Band, and 53 is near the upper Bollinger Band. Now once you're trading, you won't find the exact number on the Bollinger Band, so please remember this, that as you cannot find the exact number, so you have to use your head so that you can choose the approximate prices, and that's why we have chosen these prices. We are trading 10 options contract in this example. The symbol or stock is ABT, that is Abbott Lab, and the call price is 53 and the put price is 51, that is the lower Bollinger Band 51, the higher Bollinger Band 53. It's a 90-cent debit transaction and we are sending it to be traded, and as you can see that 90 cents multiplied by 10 option contract is equal to $900 loss. If we cancel it and turn it to one option contract, then it comes to $90. So it's up to you how many contracts you are choosing. It's simply up to you. If you will choose one, then the result will be of one option contract. I'm choosing 10, so the result will be according to those 10 options contract. I'm sending it out, it's gone. It's a 13th October expiry date. That is, today is 2nd October, so it's approximately 2 weeks. Now let's see what happens. Thank you. Hi guys, this is the first day of the trade, and as you can see it has closed at 53.68. Let me zoom in. Right here, this is the first day of the trade and it closed at 53.68 with low as 53.20, high as 53.70, open at 53.64. So we know it is currently going straight, but as per our plan it is outside the Bollinger Band, so we have a higher chance that it will go up and we will make good money. So we will keep on focusing on this stock and see how it goes. Thank you. Hi guys, this is day 2, October 4th. Now, as you can see, the price in our day 2 is currently the same. It opened up at 53.75, went high till 54, then came down to 53.70. Closed at 53.75. But if you look at it, it's not going down. It's starting to consolidate and go straight. And I believe it will suddenly jump up to go up. Or it will stick to this trade for the next 3 days for this week ending. And then from next week it can rise up. But let's see what happens next. Thank you. Hi guys, today is Thursday end of the first week and you can see the price have suddenly jumped up to 54.92. This was our last lecture that you heard previously, and within the next 2 days it rose up. So you can see we are going good, no problem at all. What do we need? Nothing, just sit tight. The stock ABT, that is Abbott Labs, says we are on the right track. And now let's sit tight and see what happens next. Thank you. Hi guys, today is the end of Friday, that is the 5th working day in our trade. And as you can see, it has ended at 55. See, So we can see our rates are left behind and we are currently on top, which is awesome. Now let's see how the trade goes in our last week, that is next week. If we can make like sudden huge profits or not. Because at the end of the day, our goal is to end the trade at the max profit. Now if you have seen all my courses, I offer different strategies, but they work on the same ways. That is, it's non-directional or directional. And in directional, you know that you make money if the direction is up or down. In bull run, it's easy to make money, but in a bear run, the market falls sharply and comes back up really quick. So as you can see right now in the bull run, it's only 5 working days and we are still in profit. The best part. Now let's see how it goes. Thank you. Hi guys, today is Monday and 9th October and you can see that our stock is currently at 54.66. It has come down from our high of, wait a minute, for high of 55 till 54.66, but we will sit and see how it goes. Currently it looks perfect, there is no problem at all. However, if you look at the volume size, the volume was like so huge. See? So we have to remember this. There is something cooking in ABT Labs. So we will sit tight and see what happens next. Thank you. Hi guys, this is the second week and today is Tuesday end of trading on Tuesday. And this is our trade ABT, that is ABT Labs. And as you can see, on the last day it like rose from, it opened on 54.77, its high is 55.43, its low is 54.33 and its close is 55.40. So it has risen 74 cents, that is 1.35%. And as you can see, it is continuously following our plan. It is trading higher and higher. Its top high, when we traded it here, its top high was this, but now it has really crossed it and closed above it, and it is continuously going up and up, which is a great thing for us because the profitability is rising through it, and it really doesn't affect us because at the end of the day our profitability will rise from our options contract strike prices, and that's what matters. Thank you. Hi guys, today is Wednesday end, and as you can see on Wednesday the price just dipped down. A day before yesterday it closed at 55.40, but on Wednesday, that is today, it opened at 55.26. So it opened lower and went down. Now this kind of candle, if you know how candlestick works, is not good. So we have to remember that there is something going wrong. However, we have an advantage on our end. That is, within 2 days our options contract will expire worthless. And as if you remember our strike prices, we will be in profit. If it ends around 54.44, we will be in good profit. So now let's see how it goes. What we need is for the next 2 days it hovers around the same level of 54.55. We don't need it to go lower, because if it goes lower our profit starts to get reduced. Now the number one thing that we can do as of now is just go and square it out. But if we square it out, our profit will be reduced further because we will be squaring them out. And by squaring, I mean if you have sold an option, you'll be buying an option. If you have bought an option, you'll be selling an option. Now in that case, you would need to pay premium for that, and that will reduce your profits. And the next best part is it doesn't look that bad. It says that the upside trend has come to a halt. But if you look at the Bollinger Band, let me show you. The Bollinger Band is still pointing up. So we have like Bollinger Band pointing up, which is a good thing. The price opening lower and like eating the previous green candle is not a good mark. So it's a hold scenario. Now a hold scenario is really not that bad. It basically says hold on to your trade, and therefore we will hold on to our trade, and within 2 days it will automatically expire. So if it ends above 50, if it ends 54.55, then we are in good profit. And at the end of the day, as we will be trading each and every week or each and every month, so we need a monthly income. And if all our trade ends in like profit, then that becomes our income, right? So let's see how it goes for the next 2 days. Thank you. Hi guys, this is our trade in ABT symbol, that is Abbott Labs, and as you can see, it is currently trading at 54.71. Now today is Thursday end, so tomorrow Friday is the last working day, and if it like expires, let's say at 55 or above, then we will have something to cheer on, a good profit. Now as you have seen, we had like really short dated options contract, but still we managed to make good profit. The best part, and the best part is if you can manage profits on like every month basis, then at the end of the year, at the end of the quarter, you will be happy that you are getting money out of the market, because we all need market to act like an ATM, and to make it act like an ATM, we need strategies like this. And if they like keep on giving us profits, then it's the best part. So let's see what happens on Friday to determine how much profit we have generated. Thank you. Hi guys, today is Friday end, and our Abbott Labs trade, that is symbol ABT, have just ended. Now I've changed the charts so that I can show you on old charts how our trade went. Now if you remember, this was our trade. Long Strangle, we bought 10 contracts, that is 10 put, 10 call, strike prices of 51, 53, and we had paid 90 cents as debit. Now as the price have went up, so let me mark it up. This was our like top band, top strike price, and this was our second strike price. Now let me zoom in to show you. If you look at it, these were our top prices. This price was nearer to the top Bollinger Band, and this was on the lower side. Now if you remember, we traded our trade on this day. Now you might say the Bollinger Band is a bit on top and our price is a bit lower. Yes, you're right, but the point of understanding is that the highest price, the highest strike price, acts as your buy point. So if your buy point is lower, then you will be making more money. And the point is, once it crossed the Bollinger Band right here, at that point we could have chosen 53 or 53.50, which would have become right here. So if you would have chosen this one, where my mouse is, it would have been higher than the Bollinger Band. So getting a price higher than Bollinger Band doesn't make financial sense. So financial sense makes sense that you are putting it below the Bollinger Band, because this acts as your buy point. Now from 53, the price closed yesterday at 54.65. So $53 minus 54.65, we get $2 profit. minus 53. How can it be $2? It's $1.65. Wait a minute. So we made a $1.65 profit, which becomes $165 because one option contract is 100 shares and 10 options contract is let me show you. 10 options contract multiplied by 100 shares multiplied by $1.65 profit, so it becomes $1,650. Simply an awesome amount. It shows that our trade was exceptionally profitable. However, we didn't made anything exceptional, and if you look at it, the trade ended at the exact high, like a day before it opened, at the exact point. We only traded it at the right moment, when if it would have crossed the Bollinger Band right here and would have closed around this level, then we would have bought it. But it opened really high, so this was not like a no-brainer to buy here because it's too much high. But once it came to our acceptable levels, we bought it. And as you can see, it went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the first week, it started to go straight and ended a week flat. Now, it paid a dividend of 27 cents and it went flat. Now, the point is not about flat or not. The point is that it made us a good profit. Why? Because we bought it at the right moment once it crossed the Bollinger Band. And it went up, up, up. And within our 2 weeks experiment or live trade, we made an exceptional profit. So $1.65 minus 90 cents would mean 75 cents. Because we have to deduct this 90 cents that we paid upfront, right? And if we multiply our profit with 75 cents, then we made a $750 profit, which shows that our trade was not as bad as we thought. It's exceptional because if you're getting $750 every month, then it acts like a passive income, which no one offers you. And the best part is, you knew that your loss was limited to this 90 cents. That's it. And as you can see, your trade went from day one above your strike prices. It never touched 53. So you always knew you'll be getting a profit. And you got the profit. So this is how it proves that our strategy of long strangle works. And this is only 2 weeks. If you are playing it for, let's say, a month expiry, then your profit can also increase even further. So the point is to trade intelligently and according to the plan. And that's it. And then sit on the sidelines. The best part about option strategies is your losses are fixed, so you don't have to worry about them, whereas your profits are unlimited. And that's the best part. Thank you.